Hello again. Today I'll present you the HondaJet, a very light business jet with a spacious interior and high flight performance. Let's have a look inside. Inside the HondaJet, you have 4 seats in club configuration. In some HondaJets, you have a side-facing seat in front of the door. In this HondaJet, you have there a galley. As you can see, the HondaJet is much longer than other small business jets. This means you have much more space in opposite seats. You have an interior with leather seats and all gadgets you need. For example, a foldable table that you can use very easily. And in the back of the HondaJet, you have a toilet that you can use during your flight. As you can see, the engines are on top of the wings with the HondaJet. This makes you don't lose space inside the cabin because of the engines, but it also is much more fuel efficient. During your flights, you also have less vibration and less noise, so it makes it much more pleasant. In the back you have the luggage compartment, where you can store enough luggage for all the passengers on board.